customer service done right. Are you a stickler about receiving top-notch customer service? Do you routinely come through as a provider of exemplary services to your customers? Chances are you have been greatly disappointed at one time or another regarding the service you received from a salesperson, an internet hosting company, a hair colorist, or any one of thousands of different service providers. Frankly, customer service in many areas retail, for one, isn't what it used to be. However, where there is poor customer service, there is also a great opportunity. Read on and I will explain. Let's say you are in a field that routinely provides SOSO service to customers. It could be that customer expectations are low and no one expects top-notch service. Maybe most customers are simply price-sensitive and could care less about how fast or how well you deliver. However, you can bet that there are a percentage of customers out there who appreciate service that goes above and beyond the industry standard. These same customers typically will pay a little extra for service that really serves them. If you can tap into this customer base, you can create a niche, raise your prices, and make more money in the long run. Depending on your industry, you could command a price premium of 10 to 25% over the average provider. That may not sound like a lot, but it could spell the difference between eating hamburger or eating steak. I don't know about you, but I would prefer eating steak. Naturally, providing a high level of customer service means you will have to break a sweat. You may have to happily redo, it's all in the attitude, baby, or improve on an existing project in order to satisfy a good-paying customer. This is what sets you apart from the pack. If you are satisfied with the status quo, then that's okay too. Just don't expect to have customers beat down your doors for work. At least the better customers will not.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.